Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you aren't sure how to choose your shipping method on Vinted. So shipping options can affect cost, speed and even buyer preference. Setting this correctly helps avoid any delays. You can also manage shipping preferences in your own settings. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually choose a shipping method on Vinted, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So first thing first, if you are using any Android, iOS, go all the way and download the app. Just look for Vinted on App Store or Play Store, it depends on you. Then open the app, log in using your email address and password to access your profile. But for me today, I'm gonna go to the Vinted.com website. Just open the website, then go to Vinted. So it's time now to log in using your email address and password as I told you before. Then open your profile. Okay, we're gonna go here. You can edit profile. We have multiple options. You can even go to settings and select shipping. Enable or disable available, basically careers. Then save your preferences. So for buyers, shipping options appear during the checkout. For example, I'm gonna come here. Okay, let's say I wanna buy this one, for example. So for example, I wanna buy this one. I'm gonna go buy now and all of this. When I reach the checkout, I can choose my preferred way of basically career and even payment. As for more tips, enable popular basically shipments in your area as well. Then consider the drop-off conveniences. It's pretty good as well. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.